We have had in the Beverly Hills Bar Association for a number of years the Louis Fox Award that was named after a former executive director of our organization and was given for distinguished and exemplary service to the association. As you have heard multiple times tonight, our executive director, actually our CEO, is, after 16 years of exemplary service, retiring at the end of this year. And so we have decided to change the name of this award from the Lou Fox Award to the Fox-Staenberg Award, and there could be no more deserving recipient of the inaugural Fox-Staenberg Award than Marc Staenberg.
I don't know if I'm allowed to speak or not, but I'm going to.
It's not on the script.
I'll put it on the script post-dinner. This is a big surprise for me. I was not prepared for this, but I want to thank each and every one of you for your warmth and your support. I've been very blessed over 16 years to have 16 wonderful leadership groups, 3 wonderful boards. I work for a lot of people, the association, the foundation, and the barristers. And I also work for my staff, who've made me look very good over the last 16 years. Thank you all very, very much.